Dekasado na ngayong taon ng ASEAN Women's Championship na tatawagin bilang ASEAN MSIG Serenity Cup 2025. Dito nakatakdang depensahan ng ating Philippine Women's National Football Team ang kanilang titulo na nasungkit nila noong 2022. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Matinding hamon na harapin ng ating Philippine Women's National Football Team sa parating nilang kampanya sa ASEAN Women's Championship 2025 na tatawagin ngayon bilang ASEAN MSIG Serenity Cup 2025. Pilipinas ang itinanghal na kampyon ng ASEAN Women's Championship noong 2022 matapos natalunin ang Thailand sa score na 3-0 sa Rizal Memorial Football Stadium sa lungsod ng Maynila. Sa isinagawang press conference ng torneo nito lamang Martes, aminado si Pilipinas goalkeeper Olivia McDaniel na hindi nawawala ang pressure lalo na target nilang madepensahan ng kanilang korona.
I think that, there's always pressure, whether you're coming in as a defending champion or, coming in to try and take that championship away from someone else. But I think, something that my team especially, we like to live by is pressure is a privilege. So I think it's such a privilege to be able to play in such high stakes like this and be able to play against such amazing players. And, we're looking to defend the title for sure. And, we're going to be going up against such great competition. So, it's going to be tough, but we're looking to bring it home.
Bilang panimula naman ng kanilang paghahanda sa ASEAN Women's Championship, nagsagawa ng 7 na araw na training camp ang Pilipinas noong nakaraang buwan sa pinakabagong football field sa Mall of Asia sa Pasay City. Bukod dito, nakatakda ring sumabak ang ating women's football squad sa CFA International Women's Football Tournament ngayong Abril na gagamitin din nilang preparasyon para sa ASEAN Women's Championship 2025. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.